Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to put together the Bunny Bunker Easter egg cup. So we've got the little snack cup up the top here that just slides in place. You don't have to glue that in place. And basically you can store the snacks inside the drawers here. So we've got, in this drawer we've got carrots, but the drawers won't fall out. You have to tilt them in order to be able to take them out. So dump in the carrots. The knobs, you don't have to glue them in. I did not. They're a press fit. It's a nice fit. And also, you don't have to have an AMS. You can just print the bunny heads in white and they look really good. So there's, just as an FYI, there's two different knobs. One for the upper drawer and one for the lower drawer. So I'll just put those aside for the moment. And then the egg comes off. Now this is where you're going to need a little bit of glue. I made pins and the lid just slides over. The bottom drawer, it's the same as the top drawer. You would have tilted it to be able to remove it, and it's got carrots in it. So dump the carrots. And the cup itself is just a taper fit. You can glue it if you want, but it holds pretty well. And the goal is that there's a little bunny head for you to hide. So this is the bunker bunny. So when you're putting it together, just put the bunker bunny inside the base. Take the next piece, you're gonna just give it a little press, and the kids will still be able to pull it apart. But again, like I said, you can glue it if you want, and they will still be able to get that bunny out if they figure out how to be able to remove the drawer. So the two pins, before you glue them in, you're just going to want to do a test fit to make sure that they're snug and that you can press them down. I made little splines in it in order to be able to make a little space. So I'd love to know what kind of glue that you like to use, but I love this Gorilla Glue, and it's got a childproof cap on it. There we go. So it has a dropper tip on it that you could take a pin, you could put a drop if you want to, but it also has, and I love this, it has the little paintbrush in it, you know, so you can take it and you can actually use the paintbrush to put a dab of glue into the hole. So it's the only spots where you have to glue is going to be these pins, and so now I'll just put a little glue in that hole. Whoops. And here we go. Put that in there. So it's nice and snug. Now I'm going to look at where the seam is, and I'm putting it towards the back because I don't want it to show on the front of it. And then I'll take a little bit of glue and I'll put it onto the pin and just on the deck around the pin. Around the pin. There we go. Then I take the egg. I'm going to stick the egg on. Okay, so I'm just going to press it and hold it. And again, the drawers, you can just tilt them and slide them in. Tilt them, slide them in. The snap cup drops right into place. And I should have put the bunny head handle on that drawer. But an improvement from my previous designs is that I made the walls just a little bit thicker, so people had mentioned challenges of being able to put the handles in, and you can glue them if you want. I didn't have to. I have my printer so well tuned that it was a nice press fit, and you can use that handle to be able to pull the drawer in and out. So it doesn't come out. You want to get it out, you got to tilt it a little bit, you take it out. You want to get it out, tilt it a little bit, you take it out. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Any prints that you make, please share. You change up the colors. I'd love to see what you come up with. Any boosts are greatly appreciated. This is going to go into the Easter competition, and hopefully the kids have a blast. I'm going to be printing up 2 more for my grandkids, and hopefully they'll have fun with the snack cup and finding the bunny in the bunny bunker. Thanks for watching.